Another wonderful day at JJB of improvements. Great job everyone. Nice work Damien, cleaning the oven door. The right side shows how it was before. Great job Stuart with before and after. So you moved all your tools for the most popular ones in front of you and the ones not so used to the left. Great job on your press brake. And Sam setting a new standard for the capping machine. Fantastic. Great job. And before and after from Suavec, cleaning the crane, clearing away some crap too. Really good job. And also organising some boxes to make it look premium. Great job Mark, moving some products around, so moving the slower sellers and filling up with more popular ones. Great job. Steel prices are up 300% this year, so we've shrunk a product by 10mm, now we get 10 more per sheet. And Chris put the clocking in machine back in its location. And Marius, fantastic job, before and after. Adding a bracket, cleaning the shelf, and also adding an air duster. Great job. Kieran fixing the wheels on his trolley. Obviously bugged him, wants it premium, so he replaced it for a new one. Looks good. And also Phil sweeping the floor. Great job everyone, thank you very much.